Take a ride in the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.